So let's talk about vegetables for a minute. Let me give you some tips on how to choose them. Choose some of the hardier, more sort of longer life vegetables, so carrots and cabbage and root vegetables like that, potatoes. They will store really well in a fridge, but also in a cold place, actually an outbuilding or a storeroom or somewhere that's cold. They don't really have to be fridgy. Even a cabbage and some carrots you can make into a lovely stir fry, just slice them really finely, stir fry them with a bit of soy sauce and a little bit of seasoning. They'll lovely slow cooked in casseroles and things like that. So your longer life vegetables, your tougher, crunchier vegetables, delicious, whether you have them raw grated or whether you stir fry them or slow cook them.